Hello foodies, welcome to another video. Today, I'm going to bake some easy brownies. Yes, easy to make brownies. No fuss, no complications. You will definitely love this one. So, without much further ado, let's get started. In a big bowl, put 1.5 cups of brown sugar and add 200 grams of butter at room temperature. You can use a hand mixer to cream both the sugar and the butter. And then add in 6 eggs. And then we continue mixing. Add a dash of vanilla and continue mixing. Here I am adding cocoa powder to the mixture and also flour. Cocoa powder is 1.5 cups and flour is also 1.5 cups. We slowly incorporate the dry ingredients into the mixture. Our goal here is to not overmix the batter. Next is to prepare our baking pan. As you can see, I am lining the pan or the baking sheet with baking paper. But at this point, you should start preheating the oven. Preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Next is to transfer half of the batter into the baking sheet. Try to spread the batter evenly. And then we can sprinkle some chocolate chips and some nuts on top if you like. I love walnuts and pecans, but I used pecans on this one. We will put the other half of the batter into the pan to cover everything. Again, try to spread the batter evenly. This is ready to be popped into the oven for 30 minutes. After it cooled down, cut them into serving sizes. This is so good, you guys. So there you have it, our easy to make brownies. No fuss, no complications. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please hit that like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next. Bye!